Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You're starting inside Looker Studio. Open the report and go to the page you want to restyle. First, make sure no components are selected so you modify the page, not a chart. Once the canvas is active, use the top toolbar or right side panel to access page settings. This direct start saves time versus editing each chart. Make sure you have editor access. Without it, you can view but not change colors. Now proceed to the page background, controls in the style area. With the page selected, open the layout and theme or page properties in the right-hand panel. That's where background controls live. Choose fill color and enter a HEX or RGB value to match brand guidelines. If you need transparency, set opacity using RGBA or the opacity slider. This helps layer visuals. For texture, add a background image and adjust fit. Fill, fit, stretch. Once done, preview the page to confirm contrast and legibility against text and charts. Finish by applying the change to the report or just the page. Use theme overrides when you want consistency across pages. Once applied, preview in read mode and on different screen sizes to confirm charts and text remain legible. If the color change doesn't appear, make sure you're in editor mode, refresh the browser, and clear cache. Sometimes style updates require a reload. If problems persist, check for layer or object fills overlapping the page background and adjust their opacity or.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.